We are weighing the sample. Okay, so we have to weigh minimum 50 to 100 grams of sample is needed for doing sieve analysis. Alright. So principle of the experiment I have already explained to you. So now what we are doing is, first step of this is taking the granules and weighing them 100 grams. Okay, so sir is doing that. Okay. So hardly very little amount has come excess. Remember, it's a large amount, so you require a bigger balance. Alright? Right. Okay, so we are done with the first step. So we are going to determine particle size by sieve analysis. So for sieve analysis, first and foremost requirement are sieves. So remember, the sieves are always stacked like this. Okay, this is the sieve shaker. This is the instrument that we will be using. This stack of sieves will be placed on this. Alright. Now how do we organize the stack of sieves? That's very important. So the organizing is coarser sieve on the top and finer sieve at the bottom. So we start with the coarser sieve. So just to show you. Okay, so we have just stacked it. So you can see this is a coarser sieve that we are going to use. This is of 7 or 8 mesh. Okay. So from 8 we have moved on to, if you see properly, यहाँ पे 16 से 22, 44, 60, 85, finally 100. Okay, like this you can have 300, 350 depending upon what is your lesser size. Okay, so we are going for sieve size analysis from higher coarser size from 8 to the minimum size of 100. Alright, so we'll just attach this properly. Yes, so this is the electromagnetic sieve shaker. It is of Electrolab, the company. Alright, so it has got two adjustments, time and power. Time because it depends upon how much time we want the sieve to be shaken or vibrated, and how much power should be given to the vibrations. Okay, so we have continuous, intermittent. This is an experiment that is given in IP, BP and USP. So you can have to follow either of the methods that are there. Alright, so for this the first thing we need to do is always place a butter paper at the bottom, because the final sieve se jo niche aayega, that needs to be collected as well, because the weight of the sample and the distribution, how much is retained on every sieve and passed through every sieve. ये जो दो parameters हैं, this is what we will be doing. Okay, or you can say calculating. So after we have placed the sieves over here, we will pass the sample through this first sieve. So all the sample will be poured on this. Vibration will be started for 15 minutes. Okay, 10 power पे. And sieve shaker जब shake होगा, तो what will happen? The granules जो है वो नीचे जाना start करेंगे, right? So depending upon the size, it will be retained on some and passed through the others, right? So retention कितना retain हुआ every sieve पे और कितने sieve में pass हुआ, right? And जितना retain हुआ उसका weight we will be checking after every retention. Every sieve पे ऊपर जितना material हुआ, okay, उसको हम लोग weigh करके देखेंगे. Alright? So now let's just show you. We will put this like this. Okay? This is the way it will be placed on the vibrator. ये इसके वो है fixers. So you can see we have this as an attachment. So we will fix this.
एक मिनट.
So now the first step is to pour the granules on the sieve. Okay, so I have placed everything. Now we have set the time 10 minutes and power 10, and now we are going to start. All you have to do is just press start. See, you can hear the vibration starting to work. Okay, for 10 minutes with 10 power it's going to vibrate. Okay. शॉट ऊपर का भी निकाल लूँगी. See, you can see the granules are much more finer, so therefore nothing is retained on the coarser sieve. Okay, as the vibration is going on, the powder is going to, or the granules are going to move downwards and get retained on the sieve in which they are the right size, and non-retention or going downwards on which they are, how much is retained and how much is passed. So we will be checking that for sieve kitna hai. Okay. So we have kept it for 10 minutes. So 10 minutes are over. Now sir is taking out. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to take individual sieve and see उसमें कितना retained है. Okay, and then we are going to weigh each one of them. Each one of the sieve के ऊपर कितना retention है. ठीक है. So as you can see, sir is continuing. So I will give him one butter paper. Now let's look at the first sieve के ऊपर कुछ है retention. Okay, we have hardly 2 particles. Okay. बाकी sieves लेके आऊँ या हो जाएगा, लेके जा सकेंगे क्या? नहीं तो 1 मिनट. हाँ, we might as well get the papers over there. So we have labeled the papers, okay, as per the mesh. So you can see this is okay. Sir has brought it here, so you can see. Okay. So now this is 16. So you can see, sir is put over 16. So this is 16 number mesh. You can see the retention. This is going to be 22. Okay, this is a 44. Okay, this is 60. That is 85. And this is 100. So hardly any retention. That means most of the majority of the particles you can see in all the sizes. So you can see over here, this is I think 60. Yeah. So 60, 40 and 20 round. Okay. So 22, 60, 40 and 60. So 20, 40, 60 mein all the particles are lying. So this is basically the size of granules. Okay. So granules are always maximum 40. Even in the industry we use 40 size granules. Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to weigh each one of them. We are going to take them in the butter paper. So like this. We are going to take it on the butter paper. इसको वो करना पड़ेगा थोड़ा सा ना ब्रश. कर दिया है. Okay, size separation. So this is mesh 8. This is mesh 16, 22 or 25. Okay. Then 40, 44. Then you have got 60 and that is your 85 or 80 and then that is your 100 and that is the last जो नीचे butter paper पे last leave over होता है वो. ठीक है. So we are going to keep that also. So now what we need to do is individually weigh every mesh size के ऊपर how much is retained. Right. So इसमें hardly you can see there are hardly 2 granules that were retained. Okay. So we have already taken the weight as you can see. 0 पे है analytical balance. This is called as analytical balance. So now I'll just put these two because they are just 2. So I have taken it with hand and I'm just put. So to see whether they will. Okay. So it is 0.016 grams. Okay. So now we will write it down with a pen. Okay. 0.016 grams. So this is the weight that we got for 8 number mesh. Okay. So similarly now we will move on. Okay. Fatapat we will do for all the meshes. can see this is my empty. Okay. So it is 5.840 grams. And now similarly we will be doing the weight for all of them. Okay. You can see we have taken the weights of all the granules. Okay, so of different mesh. So you can see, as you see, it's mesh 22, it is mesh 4460 grams, mesh 60 is 7.99 grams, mesh 85, this is mesh 100, that is 0.061 grams, and this is after, in below, on the butter paper, whatever was remaining, we have taken that weight also. Okay. Alright. So this is the end of the practical experiment that we do. After this, we started the calculations.